Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel, your go-to place for smart, simple, and step-by-step software tutorials. In today's video, we are diving into Zoho Cliq, the business communication tool that brings your team chats, calls, and collaboration all into one place. Whether you're new to Zoho Cliq or just looking to boost productivity, we will walk you everything you need. From navigating the interface, sending messages, making calls, using channels, bots, and more, we've got you covered. So by the end of this video, you'll be communicating with your team like a pro. So grab your coffee, hit that like button, and let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do, visit the official website of Zoho Cliq. On the top corner, you have the option to log in using your credentials. But of course, we all know that the better option is to click the sign up button. If you do, you will be forwarded to a new page. To make the account creation faster and easier, you can sign up using your Google, your LinkedIn, and your Microsoft account. And then, once you have successfully created your account here in Zoho Cliq, you will be forwarded to the main homepage with a welcome dialog box. Now, if you want to answer all of this and configure the auto update status, you can do that. But I highly suggest not to do that anymore because we're going to explore all the features in the left side area of the navigation. Right off the bat, you would feel that the platform is very easy to use. The tools here in the left side are user-friendly and the interface is very clean. We have been using Zoho Cliq in our team here in our YouTube channel, so we know firsthand how it works and how it can bring a lot of productivity to your business needs, especially if you're working in a collaborative environment. Now, as you may notice, the remote work gives you the ability to turn it on and turn it off. All right, so with this, you can configure your settings and auto update your status. If you do that, all right, let's click that configure button later because I am gonna go to the channels first because this is far more important here in Zoho Cliq. This is gonna be the core section of Zoho because the channel are topic-based discussion spaces for team collaboration. Now, there's going to be like a plus button here if you want to create a new channel from scratch. All right, so it's up to you. For example, let's say we're gonna, of course, you can choose from an organization or personal if that's for you. I'm gonna click the organization, and of course, you can change the channel image and name. I'm gonna do that right now. I'm gonna click that icon, and then the channel is gonna be Zoho Cliq. Okay, so after doing that, I'm gonna make it visible to all people here who wants to join the channel. For example, if you wanted to work with a team, other freelancers, other creative professional, or even your client, you can do so. You can add participants here if you want, and then right here, let's say in this instance, I'm gonna go and create the channel. It's very simple to use, really. It's straightforward. We have been using this for a lot of times. Okay, now I'm gonna click on it, and then once I've done that, we're gonna go to the history. The history offers you the section. This is where you can search and review past conversations. Since this is a newly created account, we don't have yet anything in place. But if you do, you can search by date, people, keywords, right here. You can search for people here, alphabetical, or type a message. I find it very helpful for tracking down all decisions, shared files, or even key info. You can enter the channel title or username. Okay, so there's a lot that you can do here. The file section displays all of the files shared across chats and channels. You can kind of like sort by file type, images, maybe videos, audio, and file or documents. Now, these are going to be shared assets without scrolling through chats. And then, as you may notice, you have the recordings. For example, if you use the Zoho meeting, all the recordings will be saved here. We have a separate video of how to use a Zoho meeting that you might want to check in our channel, please. You can do so because we have shown you how to use that, and all the recordings will be saved here. And then there is going to be the org or the organization giving you a visual representation of your company's hierarchy. With this, you can, of course, view the organization charts, team structures, and roles. You can click on any member to start a chat, call or view their profile, which is kind of really useful for onboarding and navigating large teams. Now, how about the calendar? The calendar is going to be very useful for scheduling and tracking. There are two options here. You can schedule a meeting if you want. Okay, it's going to be is it going to be like a face-to-face meeting or maybe an online meeting? In this instance, we're going to use that. You can use the time, location. Is it going to be an audio or a video depending on your preferences? Is it going to be recorded? There premium plan. So that if you want to unlock all of the full features, you need to subscribe because the free trial only offers you limited options. All right. And once you've done that, I want you to click the create button. You will be given a event link that you can share with your team members, your client. If you're hiring someone, you might want to do so, or update to a specific product or project. All right. That's going to be the agenda. And of course, you have the ability to start the meeting. All right. Now, with this, you also have the ability to create an event. All right. So the event is going to be the same thing. If you want to a face-to-face meeting, you can do with that. And then there's going to be an option here for the notes. The notes is a place where you can create and store personal notes or shared snippets. Okay. So there's going to be a plus button here, or on the top, you can write capture to do. In this case, we're going to create a to do right here. And then click the title. And then we're going to do that. Similar to that, you also have the option to create or a note board. Okay, so with that in mind, you can type it in. And then you see there's going to be a notebooks here. If you want to create a notebook, you can do so and click the create button. Now, once you have created your notebook, you can type a lot of things here. You can add notes right here. Okay, so you can be creative. You can make it different. And then you can sort of like insert an image. Let's say we wanted to insert an image. And then the gear icon gives you the ability to set up some information that you wanted to settings. All right. The invite users. If you want to invite someone, you can send emails to your team members to join Zoho Cliq. All right. If you want to add multiple users, you have the ability. For example, that's going to be like, let's say, where Tom, type in their email, chest@email.com, and then click the done, invite them all. All right. Now we're going to go to the top right corner. There's going to be like menu here. These are going to be your integrations for Zoho Mail, Zoho Cliq, Zoho Connect, which we have a separate video and that you might want to check in our channel, please. And the sales marketing to seamlessly integrate all the ecosystem tools and apps here in Zoho. And with that being said, if you are also looking for real user reviews, honest feedback, up-to-date pricing information, or even alternatives to Zoho Cliq, you can check out trusted software review platforms like Capterra and of course G2.com. Now these sites offer insights from actual users, helping you make a more informed decision before investing in the tool. Thank you so much for watching our walkthrough of Zoho Cliq. It's powerful, customizable, and ideal for teams who want to stay connected and organized without the noise of traditional chat apps. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you won't miss future tech guides just like this one. If you have any questions or experiences using Zoho Cliq, drop them in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. And as always, thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.